Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ka Dorbash nong Laban, hakajan miet ka Sibaar, kalapin ko Burom yaw MLA ka South Shillong Constituency uba Sanbor Shulay, uba Shah Pynrung kum Myntri ka Sorkar MDA 2. Dangshan uba Sanbor, ula Shah Pynrung kum Myntri ka Sorkar Jilla, maula yo banbat ya kitanat, bakantop ya ka Animal Husbandry and Veterinary, Arts and Culture, Printing and Stationery, bat katanat Legal and Metrology. Yak ni kajingelang Pynkup Burom, la Pynrung, ha Assam Club, Laban, ha kaba, na lor kinong yalam shnong kador ba shnong Laban, la donru kinong yalam sengkentay, senglong kami, kinong yalam shnong, naki shnong per, kidikot jong ka BJP, lembat kiwe. Nakilyang kador ba shnong, haba Pynkup Burom yoba Sanbor, kilapan pawai ka jingkemen, basasisian kum ka Constituency, kanyo biang yo Myntri, hapo ka Sorkar. Haba kren ha kanigasngi, uba Sanbor ula ay kublay, ya baro kidor ba shnong, jong katan Laban, baro kaway. Kibala ay, ka jing itho, ya ka jing tray kam jong u, na kabenta ka baha kamiat jong kipat ba ka Constituency baro kaway. Uba Sanbor ula itho, uba hadin ba ula shimti, ya ka syuki Myntri Sorkar, ula yo jingtip ba ula yo ya kamang tingka kabakot palat praklur tingka na kabenta ban siang thama ya kasurok na do civil hospital point ter shado St. John last stop Kench Trace.
Agriculture, printing and stationery, Sanbor Shulay. Please raise Next, volunteer, President D. Bailan. Proud to honor Shri Sanbor Shulay MLA, 19 South Shillong Constituency for being inducted into the Cabinet MDA 2, Government of India as Minister in charge, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary, Art and Culture, Printing and Stationery, and Legal Metrology Departments. This is the locality verification of the Burom. President of Next is Usi Bashabam, isinya Burom, Bashabam.
Be able to bring development to this constituency of ours. More and more responsibility has been given to him, and we are very proud that the government has inducted him into its council or the cabinet of ministers. We believe that as he goes on from here, more and more will be done by him, and he will be growing in stature and having more and more responsibility in the government of Meghalaya. So with these few words, I would like to again offer our congratulations, our felicitations, and we believe that you will be a blessing to our area and all of the people who are in this constituency, and also for the state as Minister of the state. Thank you.
By the WD department, the approach motorable road from the opposite Apaini, from Jumerlin down, connecting the existing road. We have also earmarked, and sanction has been given by the Urban Affairs Department for an amount of rupees 1 lakh for reconstruction of this Harishama Lungartik from the resident of late Pastor Sudri MLA, former MLA, in Gopar till the resident of the parents of Dr. Abdul Lamari. Then it will reconstruct, renovate with the aqueduct system. From there, via resident of Dr. Abid downwards, connecting the Lawar Arisaba existing Pludi road. is only for Laban locality. Recently, we have renovated also the community hall of the Harisaba Welfare Committee. There so many works has been taken up, and there will be so many new schemes also, where we will very soon we will be having a program which we are going to lay the foundation soon for many schemes. Many schemes maybe by the month of October after Puja. So here, one thing before I resume my seat. With the blessing of God, and we have proposed this. It comes from the Dorbarshan Laban in our series of inspection with the municipal area, with the urban authority in the last few years. So we have inspected, and finally I have taken personal initiative, and I have we have a team from Delhi. The team from Delhi, this architect, those engineers who prepare the DPR, plan, estimate. So accordingly, when we communicate from the office of the BGP Shillong, so they came, we have provided them a place to stay. So 3 days they have come and they have do the measurement, they have prepared the plan. From the Dorbarshan, by God, by Joy at the time, I told them to send me the recommendation, the proposal from the Dorbarshan. Accordingly, the DPR has been completed. We have moved the scheme from the urban affairs through the Shillong Municipal Board, and it was forwarded to Delhi, and from Delhi we have got a sanction of 40 crores rupees, 40 crores for construction of Laban municipal supermarket. In brief, I want to share with you the area which I'm staying in Kachesri, Bishnupur, Longchatski. Before delimitation, it was under the 10-2021 Laban Burom MLA Constituency. So after delimitation, they have clapped the 21 with that 22. We, the resident of the then Bishop Kachesri, now we have converted into Dorbarshan, which is Kachesri. We don't have our own community hall. If you organize the election of Dorbarshan or the executive committee meeting of various Dorbarshan committee, we have to pay 10,000 to the committee of the Dewa Hall, which belongs to our Assamese friends. Coming to cantonment area, I would like to express my sincere thanks to Shri Mohan Limbu, who is the headman of the Jalapara Village Council, Raju Limbu, Secretary of the Village Council, and other members, Ba Harani Rudatian, and Ba Jori Maulong Rambashno, headman of Nongsopo, Lower Portal Badaro Village Council, and also to Shri Lamki Kindia and Trevor Lalu, Rambashno, Secretary of Ultan Bazar Village Council, and members of the BGP 19 South Shillong, representing the cantonment area with my constituency, and also members of the BGP members representing the municipal area. Now also I would like to express my committee, Monitoring Implementation Committee 19 South Shillong Constituency, where I am the president, and Anthony Marwek Babu is the general secretary, and other members. Actually, I have to bring the information since the induction to me as the cabinet minister there are the original NGOs, village council who have offered to felicitate me, but I said later on I will not accept now because the door person Laban have already communicated to me that they have fixed today to felicitate me, because while I said I'll begin, let me accept from my birthplace. This place where I'm born and brought up. So I would like also to express my sincere thanks to our former MLA, which we should not forget in our day-to-day life. Right from late B.N. Chaudhry, then late Bhaskar Chaudhry, late Ba Anthony Lendo, late Ba Tranghok Ragat, late Adil Chaudhry, late Sardi and Joshi. We should not forget. And also our former MTC, Sardi and Joshi, during the Assam government time, late Bhaskar Chaudhry, late Pak Relan Singh Lindo, late Pak Wan Pram Hujan, and I think I have remembered all of them. So let us pray for them also, that eternal soul will rest in peace. To my party first, the BJP, where the electorates, all of you have elected me first. You remember 2008, when I was nominated as the NCP candidate. Again, you have repeated 2013, again, you have reposed faith and confidence on me and my party, the then NCP at the time, and again, you have elected me for the second consecutive time. And later on, with the suggestion of my party workers, my ground force, and with the consultation with all the pockets within my constituency, 2013, after the delimitation, they have clapped. From the 10th to the 2nd Laban, and they have clapped. The election department, they have clapped. The 21 Burom, the 22nd Laban on the 19th South Shillong Constituency, which I am the representative, only MLA who represent the army area, the civil areas of the defense, that is the entire continental area. Last few days, I must express my sincere thanks also to three or four members of the secretary. I was busy in the office of the chief minister, so they came to felicitate me. Thank you, Kong Anita Karoplan, Kong Albila Suel, Kong Bel Berthom, that Kong Goilu Ludo. Thank you. The book is still there. Thank you so much. And coming to the development, I am to bring to your kind information. Thank you so much that you have organized this felicitation program. I would like also to express my sincere thanks to Kong Jok Tambo, former MLA, advisor of the Dr. Ernat. And I will not lengthen my speech, but to bring it to the information of the Person Laban and all the residents of Laban that very soon we have got a sanction of rupees 8 crores for full black topping, that is called the bituminous concrete black topping within my constituency. The main entrance from civil hospital it will start from the main entrance from civil hospital, then there main road of Laban, St. John, Marlaban, Luparing, Relbong area, last bus stop, then there Luparing area, the Bishnupur area, New Kitchis area. So after the puja, maybe we can start the work. And other proposal also we have proposed for renovation, reconstruction of motorable road, including aqueduct, drainage system, which will start from near the resident of Kombenita Maulong, Badefet Laiflang, downwards via elsewhere school, up to the resident of Siddiqui, Dr. Siddiqui, and it will connect also till the Laban Masjid main entrance.